Frank, Stonelink Property Manager. We're here at 45 Pond Street, Unit 201, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. It's a second floor, 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. Start our video tour. The main entrance when you walk in. Living room area here. High ceilings, fresh paint, big windows for plenty of natural light. Coat closet there. Off the living room, you got bedroom number 1. Big enough for a queen set. Make our way down the hallway here to my right. Bedroom number 2, also big enough for a queen set. We got our bathroom, shower tub, and vanity. Make our way into the kitchen. To my right off the kitchen, you got bedroom number 3. Facing the back of the house, big enough for a queen, possibly a king set. We got our kitchen space here. Plenty of room for a good sized table there in the corner. Got your back entrance, leads out to back parking and laundry, gas stove, countertop, cabinet space, sink, refrigerator. I'd like to schedule a viewing, or apply for 45 Pond Street, Unit 201, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.